Hello dear student, this is question number 20. The line y is equal to kx minus 6 is a tangent to the curve. This. Find the two possible value of k. For each value of k, find the coordinate of the point where the line touches the curve. So, if we have to find the coordinates where line touches the curve, then we know that we solve them simultaneously. But if there exists any k in any one of equations, so we use discriminant. If line intersect the curve at one point, then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If line intersect at two different points, then b square minus 4ac greater than 0. If line do not intersect, then b square minus 4ac less than 0. Now solve them simultaneously. Kx minus 6 is equal to x square plus x minus 2. So x square plus x minus kx plus 4 equal to 0. Shift this side onto this side. What we actually do, we just put this y value into second equation. So this will become a third equation. X minus kx, we take x common because we have to find a, b, c to put in discriminant. Then b is actually the coefficient of x. That is the reason we take x common from both of x. So this will become 1 minus k plus 4. So put in b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then solve it, and we have find two values of k. K is equal to minus 3 and k is equal to 5. First we take k is equal to minus 3. If we take k is equal to minus 3, then now in part b we have to find the coordinate of point where line is tangent to the curve. What we actually do, put this value into third equation, which is actually the solution of third equation is also the solution of first two equations simultaneously. So k is equal to, when we put k is equal to minus 3 in third equation, this will become x square plus 4x plus 4, x plus 2 square is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, and then put this value into equation number 1, y is equal to kx minus 6, y is equal to kx minus 6, and y will become 0. So the first point is minus 2 and 0 when k is equal to minus 3. Now k is equal to 5, then put this value into third equation again for k is equal to 5, x square minus 4x plus 4, then x is equal to 2, and for y is equal to 4. Then the point is 2 and 4 if k is equal to 5. If k is equal to minus 3, then the point would be minus 2 and 0. If k is equal to 5, then point would be the 2 and 4. So this is question number 20. Now this is question number 23. Show that the straight line with equation 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0 is tangent to the circle with equation this. It's mean in this question we have to show that the line 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0 is tangent to the circle. It means this is tangent to the circle, and look at this, there is no k in these two equations. So we just simply solve them simultaneously, and then no need to find the coordinates of intersectional point. Just apply b square minus 4ac and that should be equal to 0. Now look at this, 3x minus y, first write down these two equations, 3x minus y plus 8 equal to 0. Then y is equal to will become 3x plus 8. So 3x plus 8, so 3x plus 8, then the circle equation is x square plus y square minus 18x minus 10y plus 16 equal to 0. So put this value of y into this equation. So this will become x square plus y square, we put 3x plus 8 whole square minus 18x minus 10 into 3x plus 8 plus 16 equal to 0. Now expand this, x square plus 9x square plus 2 into 3 6 into 8 48 x minus plus 64 minus 18x minus 10 multiplied by 3 become minus 30x, and minus 10 multiplied by plus 8 become minus 80 and plus 16. Now simplify it. X square plus 9x 10x square plus 48x minus 18x plus 30 and minus 30 will become 0 plus 0 plus 64 minus 80 minus 16 and plus 16 also 0. So equal to 0. It means the simple equation 10x square is equal to 0. Here we have to apply b square minus 4ac on this equation. So b square, what is the value of a, b and c? A is 10, b is 0 because there is no x, and c is also 0. He said show that the equation line is tangent to the circle. We don't have to find the coordinate of the point, we have to just show that. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, b is 0, minus 4a is we do not treat as an equation, we just treat as an expression, b square minus 4ac. So 0 and minus 4a is 10 and c is 0. The overall answer would be 0. So b square, hence in this way we can we have proved that this equation is tangent to the curve. Now look at question number 24. A line has equation 4x plus y plus k is equal to 0 and a curve this where k is a constant. Find the two values of k for which the line is tangent to the curve. Find the equation. This question is similar to the question number 20 which we have already previously solved. So 4x plus y plus k is equal to 0. I write down the both equations. So how can we solve these type of question? First look at this. For intersectional point we solve them simultaneously, and for value of k we apply discriminant on third equation. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now solve them simultaneously. Y is equal to will become minus 4x and minus k. Put this value into this equation. So minus 4x minus k is equal to kx square plus 3. So kx square when we shift minus 4x on other side become plus 4x plus k and plus 3 equal to 0. Now apply first write down the value of a is equal to k, b is 4 and c is k plus 3. Now apply b square minus 4ac because line is tangent to the curve. So we apply b square minus 4ac equal to 0. b is 416 minus 4k and c is k plus 3 equal to 0. 16 minus 4k square minus 12 equal to 12k equal to 0. Now take 4 minus 4 common and also rearrange them. K square plus this would become plus minus 12 3k and this would become negative 4 equal to 0. So we know that minus 4 is not equal to 0, hence k square plus 3k and minus 4 equal to 0. Now make factor such that if we multiply k, then we got minus 4. If we add or subtract, then we get plus 3. So the factors are k plus 4. So I'm sorry, just 1 minute. Yes, k plus 4 and k minus 1 is equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 4 and k is equal to 1. This is the solution of first part. Now we have to do the second part of the question. Second part of the question, for these values of k find the intersectional or coordinate of intersectional point. So simply put these coordinate into equation number 3. Where is equation number 3? This equation number 3 when we solve them simultaneously. So simply first I take k, we have two values. So first I take k is equal to -4 and then k is equal to 1. If we take k is equal to -4, then this equation would become -4x square plus 4x and -4 plus 3 equal to 0. So -4x square plus 4x -4 plus 3 would become -1 equal to 0. Take minus common, -1 common, 4x square minus 4x and plus 1 equal to 0. So we know that -1 is not equal to 0. So 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. If you look at this, then this can be written in the form of 2x minus 1 whole square. This is a square of 2x and this is square 1 and this is a product of both number. 2 equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put this value in any of equation that y is equal to -4x minus k in that equation. So y is equal to -4x minus k. So y is equal to -4 into 1 by 2 and minus k is equal to -4. So 2 1 time 2 time, this would become -2 and plus 4 will become plus 2. So the coordinate of when k is equal to -4, the intersectional point is 1 by 2 and 2. Look at this. Now we take k is equal to 1. So put this value into third equation. So this will become x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 3 equal to 0. X square plus 4x and plus 4 equal to 0. Then this is x plus 2 whole square equal to 0 and x is equal to -2. So for value of y, the second coordinate, we put this value into y is equal to -4x minus k. Y is equal to -4x is -2 while k is -1. So this would become -1. So minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8, -1 and 7. So the coordinate of intersecting point -2 and 7. Now look at this question number 27. The circle x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 35 equal to 0 has center C and passes through points P and Q. Find the coordinates of C. First take equation of circle. So x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 35 equal to 0. So convert this equation into a standard form of circle equation: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square and is equal to r square, where a and b is the radius of the circle. So x square plus 2x, so how can we convert? Just join these two and by completing square, this would become x plus 1 whole square and -1. So plus y square and plus 4y would become y plus 2 whole square and -4, and shift 35 on this side. So x plus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square, when -1 and -4 -5 shift on this side, this would become 40. So the answer of first part, now we have to write the center of a circle. Compare this: minus a is equal to plus 1, a is equal to -1, minus b is equal to plus 2. So it also minus 2. This is the center of a circle. Now look at this part B. Find the equation of the line PQ. Give your answer in the form of AX plus BY. So PQ, where are the PQ? These are the points. C has a point through points P, passing through points P and Q, and M32 is the midpoint of PQ. Now look at this and understand this question. This is the circle, and P or Q are 2 points lying on the circle, and we don't know or these points are the diameter. This is not given in a question, so we just randomly draw PQ of anywhere else where you are P and Q. So this is the center. So he gave us the midpoint of PQ. Midpoint of PQ, coordinates of midpoint is, now if you look at 3 and 2. 3 and 2. And we have also the coordinate of center, and this is -1 and -2. We have to find the equation of PQ. So PQ is the chord of the circle, and we have to find the equation of PQ. So whenever we have to find the equation of any straight line, we need two things. Which one? The first is slope M, second is one point. For which purpose? To find y-intercept, to find C. So we have already one point on a given line PQ, that is M is 3, 2. We need slope. Now look at this. How can we draw or find slope of this equation? If we draw a line and join this M and a center C, so we know that any line or any a perpendicular bisector which cut any chord at a midpoint now look at this. We have 1.32 midpoint lying on this PQ, so we need the slope of this or gradient of PQ. How can we find the gradient of PQ? If we join this M with center C, so we know that if a line from center intersecting at any chord at midpoint, then that line should be perpendicular to the chord, that it makes angle 90 degree to the chord. So we know that the slope of M and C, this is C point actually, and PQ relation would be equal to -1, which we have learned earlier in this chapter. So just find slope of M and C. Slope of MC, that would be y2 minus y1 -2 divided by -1 -3 this is -4 over -4, so this is equal to 1. So slope of PQ equal to that is 1 into M2 is equal to -1, so M2 would be -1. So now we have already found slope, and we have also given a point on PQ, that is 3, 2. So find equation of PQ. Equation of PQ, M is 3, 2. Just y is equal to mx plus c. So y is 2, m is -1, x is 3 plus c. So -3, when shift on other side, this will become 5. So overall y is equal to mx minus x plus 5. So we have to convert into standard form, which he said shift x on this side, x plus 5, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the answer of second part. Now look at this, the third part. Find the coordinate of PQ. Now we have the equation of PQ, and the third part is the coordinate of PQ. This is a very tricky, very interesting part of PQ. PQ actually the intersectional point of this line and a circle. So remember one thing, how can we find the intersectional point? Solving simultaneously. So what is the equation of y is equal to minus x plus 5 of PQ? Y is equal to minus x plus 5. So equation of circle is actually this, x plus 1 is equal to whole square and plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 40. Now put this value into this. So x plus 1 whole square plus and plus 2 empty space plus 2 whole square is equal to 40. So put this value minus x plus 5. So again expand this now. X plus 1 will become x square plus 2x plus 1, and this would become 7 minus x plus 7 minus x and 7 minus x whole square. This would become 49 minus 14x and plus x square minus 40 equal to 0. X square plus x square 2x square plus 2x and minus x plus 1 plus 49. No, just 1 minute. Plus 2x minus 14x minus 12x. So plus 2x minus 14x plus 2x minus 14x minus 12x plus 1 plus 49 plus 50 and minus 40 would become plus 10 equal to 0. Take 2 common. This would become x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0, and then 2 is not equal to 0. So factor of x square minus 6 would x minus 5 and x minus 1. I write down these factors directly. So x is equal to 5, x is equal to 1. For these values of x, you have also find the value of y. When x is equal to 5, so y would become, y is equal to, when put negative 5 plus 5 would become 0, and x is equal to 1. So negative 1 plus 4, y is equal to 4. So the coordinates of P and Q are P like that 5 and 0, while Q would be 1 and 4. This is our final answer of question number 27. Now look at this question number 29. The point P, Q, R have coordinates 2, 1, this respectively. Use Pythagoras theorem to show that PQR is a right angle triangle. This is very simple. Just find all distance and PQ. For example, if we P is 2, 1, Q is 6, 2, and R is 2, 18. So first part we have to show that these are, first we will find PQ square, because Pythagoras theorem, if we have like this right angle triangle ABC, for if I name it x, y and z, then x square plus y square is equal to z square. These distance equal, Pythagoras theorem hold in on a right angle triangle. So P square is equal to PQ 2 minus 1 1 square plus 6 minus 2 would become 4 square. So this will become 1 plus 4, 16, 17. Then the next is QR square. QR is 18 minus 2, 16 square, plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 square would become 16. So 16 is 256 plus 16 equal to 256 plus 16 would become 6 and 6 12, 1 carry, 5 and 7 and 2, 272. So QR, then PR square is equal to 18 minus 1, 17 square, that would be 289, and plus, so 2 minus 2 would become 0, 0 is square 0, so this is 289. Now if you look at this, if you add these two sides, that would become 289. So we can write hence PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. So how can we make a triangle by this information? Because we know that PR is a hypotenuse of a triangle. So PR would be this. So and Q is the only point which can be. So this triangle is right angle triangle at Q. So this is the solution of first part. I hope you got it. PQ. Now for this part you should remind the theorem of circle from O level, which we learn in O level. Now draw the P, because we know that the triangle is right angle at Q and this is R. Now you must remember that 90 degree is this angle. So in which condition 90 degree or triangle can be made in a circle which will be a right angle triangle? That this would be the diameter of a circle, because PQ, so this would be the diameter of circle and the angle subtended at diameter would be 90 degree. So PQR actually is the diameter of a circle. So find midpoint of diameter for center and then we find radius of a circle. So for center, midpoint of a PR, this is part B, that would be midpoint of PR, 2 plus 2 divided by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. Then 18 plus 1, 19 by 2. So 2 and 19 by 2. Now we have to find the radius. This is PR square. We know that the diameter is 289. Square root of 289 just by dividing 2. You can divide it by 2. So for radius, because we know that PR square is equal to 289 and diameter is PR square root of 289 divided by 2, and this is equal to radius. So how can we write the equation of circle? X minus a, x minus 2, a is this whole square, plus y minus 19 by 2 whole square is equal to r square. Now this is r. Carefully take care of r carefully, because square root is just on 289 by 2. When you take square, then this would become 289 by 4, and other side of the equation x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 19 by 2 whole square. So this is just all about circle. I hope all these questions, if you have any problem, then let me know. You can contact me on WhatsApp. So I hope you got it. Thank you so much. Okay, now look at this question number 24. Question number 24 is actually the same as we solved question number 20. A line has equation this and a curve has equation this is a constant. Find the two values of k for which the line is tangent to the curve. Find the equation of the straight line joining the points on the curve for these two values. Similarly, we have one equation, linear equation, and another is quadratic equations. We have to find the value of k in first part, and in second part we have to find the value of coordinates where line is tangent to the curve. We know that for intersectional point we solve them simultaneously. So put minus 4x these two equations. First make y subject from equation number 1, put into, then you this equation will become kx square plus 4x plus k plus 3. Now we know that a is equal to k, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to k plus 3. B square minus 4ac equal to 0, where b is 4 and a is k, c is this. Put these values into equation, then make factors k is equal to minus 4 and k is equal to 1. This is the solution of first part. In second part, we take first k is equal to minus 4, put k is equal to minus 4 in equation number 3. Then when you put k is equal to minus 4 in equation number 3, this will become minus 4x square plus 4x minus 4 plus 3, and final equation is 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is equal to 2x minus 1 whole square equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 2, put into equation number 1. So this will become y is equal to minus 4x minus k, x and k, we got y is equal to 2. So the point is 1 by 2 and 2 when k is equal to minus 4. This is an intersectional point where line is tangent to the curve. Now k is equal to 1, and similarly put this value into equation number 3, and you equation will become like this: x plus 2 whole square equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, and y is minus 4x and all those things, and y would be 7. So the point would be minus 2 and 7. So this is our final answer.